previous lecture was in ecological succession. Ecological succession, which is defined as that it is a gradual replacement of one type of community by another type of community. It may be plant community, animal community, or community of the human being, or any other community which lives in the in a environment, in the ecology, in the ecosystem, the community which lives, which exists, that uh, uh, sequential order or sequence of that community, that is known as succession, plant succession. It may be, or it may be called as ecological succession. So this community which exists in a particular um, ecosystem, so it goes through the different processes. Once community gets established, it becomes stable, and and it moves, or it goes from various processes. The process of this succession is given. First step is nudation, second is invasion, third is competition and coaction, fourth one is reaction, fifth one is climax or stabilization. In these five processes, five steps, in this order, this succession will occur. This is ecological succession. These are the steps, sequential steps involved in the ecological succession. This is a series of processes. It starts from the nudation, then invasion, then competition and coaction, reaction, and stabilization. These are the five steps that we have seen. After this, primary succession, secondary succession. This succession is divided into primary succession and secondary succession. We have seen in nudation, first in open area, on that the community is formed on an open area. This the new community is formed after removal of old community. New community is formed. And in second step, in that second step, invasion. In this entry of the new organisms or formation of the community will get developed. That is developed by migration of the people, migration of the animals, plants, or by SSs. So migration, SSs, and aggregation, accumulation of the that community. That is SSs, migration. After migration, that community will adjust with the new climate, and the establishment of that community will occur. That process is known as SSs. In aggregation, the number of individuals, they get accumulated, they get colonized. Colonization and reproduction will occur. That is known as aggregation. This is a process in invasion. Third, competition and coaction between the individuals of the community for their light, food, or for their space, for living of the organisms. They occupy the space, they acquire the food for their energy or for their survival. They adjust with the climate, and competition will occur. Competition among the community. and coaction between the community for their survival. In reaction, they adjust with the environment. When get stabilized, when they get settle in a particular area, then they react with the environment. They adjust with the environment. All the living organisms, they adjust with the environment. Adjust. There's some changes takes place in the soil, water, light condition, temperature of the environment. So that becomes unfit for the community. After this reaction, the stabilization of the community that that will develop due to reaction, the climate changes and it becomes less favorable for the existing community, and it is more favorable for the new community. In this way, old community is replaced by new community. New communities form. The stabilization will occur. This stabilization is known as climax. When gets stable, when the community gets stable, then it becomes stabilized community, or it is called climax community. Climax community. So this process is same for grassland ecosystem and pond water ecosystem. For both the systems, this process is applicable. In case of grassland ecosystem and pond water ecosystem. In primary succession, we have seen in primary stage how the committee will establish. That is given through the process of succession. Original species colonizing that may be replaced by new committee. So in this step-by-step process of change will occur. First, in the primary stage, there are primary stage में क्या है? First step का nudation, then invasion. On an open area, the new committees form. That is primary succession. That succession which start from the bare area or open area, and in that open area, the community will form. The plants will grow. That is primary succession. In secondary succession, what happens? The area which is occupied by the plants or organisms, that community that is occupied, the community which occupies the area, it gets stable. Competition, coaction, reaction, stabilization will occur. The community becomes stable. So this is secondary succession. The community which is that might have been lost due to fire, cyclones, landslide, drought, and flood situations. So after replacement of that old community, new communities form. The process that is shown in this image is hydroseed. There are two processes are there. Process of succession. The process that is shown in a aquatic environment. The succession beginning in an aquatic environment like ponds, lakes. That is called hydrous succession. ते इथे दाखवले पहा. Hydrous succession. त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Hydroseed. This is known as hydroseed. This is known as hydroseed. Starting from first step up to the climax, stabilization. This arrow is shown. Okay, this is the arrow. First stage, on a open area, on bare area, this community is formed here. The plants will grow, small plants on an open area. Then it becomes in second stage it will grow up to certain height. Then these are the plants. Third stage, this is third stage. Fourth stage, fifth stage, sixth stage. In first stage, what happens? First stage क्या है? Succession मध्ये nudation. Second stage, invasion, entry of the organization, entry of the organisms, entry of the new community. Third stage, competition and coaction between that organisms or plants. Then reaction. Then last stage is climax. Climax is the stabilization. हे दोन प्रोसेस आहे, हायड्रोसिर आणि जिरोसिर. तर फर्स्ट स्टेज काय? हायड्रोसिर. Hydrosis is the ecological succession beginning in the aquatic environment, which begins in the ponds. म्हणजे हायड्रोसिर हे कशामध्ये दाखवलेलं आहे? पाण्यात, लेक, पॉन्ड और लेक. पॉन्ड म्हणजे पाण्यामध्ये हे सक्सेशन इथे दाखवलंय. त्याला काय म्हणतात? पाण्यामध्ये जे सक्सेशन होते त्याला काय म्हणतात? हायड्रोसिर. आणि ड्राय कंडिशन मध्ये जे सक्सेशन होते त्याला काय म्हणायचं? जेरोसिर. पॉन्ड और लेक इज देयर, इज अ लेक. हे तलावात किंवा डबक्यामध्ये किंवा छोट्याशा डबक्यामध्ये किंवा तलावामध्ये जे प्लांट कम्युनिटी एस्टॅब्लिश होते त्याला काय म्हणायचं? हायड्रोसिर. त्याला काय म्हणायचं? हायड्रार्च सक्सेशन. दिस इज नोन एज हायड्रार्च सक्सेशन. इथे दाखवलं पाहिजे. सक्सेशन बिगिनिंग इन aquatic environment. Aquatic environment म्हणजे पाण्यामध्ये. जे सक्सेशन पाण्यामध्ये चालू होते. Succession which starts from in the water like ponds, lakes, etc. That is known as हायड्रार्च सक्सेशन. त्या सक्सेशनला काय म्हणतात? हायड्रार्च. And succession which begins in the dry condition ला काय म्हणायचं? दिले the succession beginning in the dry condition, that is called Gerarch succession. And in Gerarch succession there are different stages of the Gerarch succession that is shown. That is known as Gerosis. जे Gerarch succession में जे स्टेजेस दाखवले त्याला काय म्हणतात? जेरोसिस. हायड्रार्च सक्सेशन मध्ये जे स्टेजेस दाखवलेले आहेत त्याला काय म्हणायचं? हायड्रोसिस. हे दोन्हीमध्ये डिफरन्स आहे. This succession begins in the dry condition. Therefore, it is called Gerarch succession. And stages which are shown in the Gerarch succession, that is known as Gerosis. The succession beginning in a aquatic environment or in water like ponds, lakes, that is known as Hydrarch succession. त्या successionला काय म्हणायचं? Hydrarch succession. And the stages in this Hydrarch succession that is known as hydroseer. काय म्हणायचं? Hydroseers. So what are the types of this? What are the stages in this Hydrarch succession? त्यामध्ये stages काय आहेत? So this image shows the stages in the hydrosphere in hydrar succession starting from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 जे आता आपण पाहिलं इकॉलॉजिकल सक्सेशन स्टेप्स इथे दाखवलेले. ओके, पहिल्यांदा हे झाडाची मुळे इथे दाखवलेले आहेत. फर्स्ट स्टेज इन्व्युडेशन, त्यानंतर इन्व्हेशन, then competition coaction, then reaction and stabilization, and finally that plant will grow. The tree is shown in 7 steps. This is a hydrosphere, stages of hydrosphere. Steps दाखवले hydrar succession. The first stage क्या है? Phytoplankton stage. In hydrar succession, phytoplanktons and zooplanktons are the pioneer colonizers. The community which forms, open area, open land. In this phytoplankton stage, the new community is formed. So in case of this hydrar succession, the growth of this plant will occur in the water. पाण्यामध्ये community form होते. इथे दाखव पाण्यामध्ये plants phytoplankton stage. They are the phytoplanktons or zooplanktons. In first stage, that is shown here. In first stage, in this first stage, the plants like green algae, blue-green algae, green algae, diatoms, and bacteria are the first organisms to colonize. They are the organisms that will form in a first stage, phytoplankton stage. So all these organisms add large amount of organic matter after their death. After these plants get decayed, the new plants will grow. So these plants that get settles at the bottom of the pond and forms organic manure. These plants will grow to a depth of, so that will available at a depth of 20 to 10 feet, 10 to 20 feet in water. जे depth किती असते कुठे available असतात हे? From the water level, this is a phytoplanktons up to 10 to 20 feet. These plants will grow at a depth of 10 to 20 feet. These are the phytoplanktons or zooplanktons that will form. They form the organic manure at the bottom of the pond. पाण्याच्या एकदम खाली ते plants काय होतात वाढतात. They will grow at the 10 to 20 feet depth from the water level. मी दाखवलं phytoplanktons. The first stage, phytoplankton. त्याला काय म्हणतात? Phytoplankton stage. तर त्यामध्ये कुठले कुठले प्लांट्स येतात? ग्रीन अल्जा, ब्लू ग्रीन अल्जा, or diatoms, bacteria, or other types of plants that will grow in the water. This is the phytoplankton stage. This is the first stage. This is one. That is shown by one number, phytoplankton stage. Similar phytoplankton stage is the first stage of hydrosphere or hydrar succession. Hydrosphere में आता पाण्यामध्ये आपण पाहतो how that plant grows, how the succession will occur in water. And the second stage काय? Submerged stage. पाण्याच्या खाली ते plants काय होतात? झाड म्हणजे ते पानं म्हणजे प्लांट्स म्हणजे त्या प्लांटची वाढ होते. In submerged stage, again that plant will grow in phytoplankton stage. This is followed by submerged stage. Next stage, due to sedimentation, soil particles they will get settled down at the bottom of the pond, and organic matter is added to this soil. माती काय होते खाली पॉन्डच्या खाली जमा होते. Soil particles will get accumulated at the bottom of the pond. As this soil level increases, water depth decreases. पाण्याची पातळी काय होते कमी होते. Depth of water will becomes less. Depth of water will get decrease and soil level increases. In this way, this condition that phytoplanktons that will be replaced by new plants, like submerged hydrophytes like Chara, Varisnena, Elodia, Hytila, Potmogia. These are the various names of this submerged hydrophytes. वेगवेगळ्या प्लांट्सचे नाव आहेत. That will grow in the submerged stage. Phytoplankton म्हणजे काय होतं? In this stage, the various plants will grow. त्यामध्ये green algae, atoms, bacteria that will grow in the water. This is second stage, submerged stage. That phytoplanktons is replaced by submerged hydrophytes. Then this in submerged stage, these plants will grow at the bottom of the pond. Again, after their growth, in next stage is floating stage. The sediments that get deposited at the bottom of the pond that will decrease the water level. So after this stage, submerged stage, that plants get replaced by new plants. That comes the floating hydrophytes. Second stage में कुठले plants हैं? Submerged hydrophytes like Chara, Varisnena, Eludia, Hytila, and Potmogia. These are the plants in submerged stage. In floating stage, these plants are replaced by new plants, that is floating hydrophytes like lotus. नवीन प्लांट्स ते त्यांची वाढ होते. त्यामध्ये कुठले कुठले प्लांट्स आहेत? फ्लोटिंग हायड्रोफाइट्स म्हणजे पाण्याच्या वरच्या लेवलला ते वाढतात. त्यामध्ये लोटस आहे, त्याला आपण कमळ म्हणतो, नेलुम्बो, ट्रॅपा. These are the various plants that will grow in the floating stage. Lotus, Nelumbo, and Trappa. These are the floating hydrophytes. Some of the free-floating hydrophytes are there, like the names of these floating hydrophytes. Free-floating hydrophytes are the Azolla, Echornia, and Piscia. These are the names of these plants that will grow in the water in this floating stage. Again, after the accumulation of these soil particles at the bottom of the pond, that pond becomes shallow. When पाण्याची level काय होते? The depth of the water becomes less as the soil particles get accumulated at the bottom of the pond. Then again, this floating plant that will get disappear. That will be replaced by new plants. In this area, there is a growth of new plant, that is reed swamp plants. Third stage में क्या होता है? Fourth stage, reed swamp stage. In reed swamp stage, these floating plants that will be replaced by amphibious plants. नवीन plants ची वाढ होते. That are known as reed swamp plants. Like I'm saying, reed swamp plant, or they are known as amphibious plants. The amphibious plants कुठले आहेत? in that it includes Typha, Sagittaria. They occupy that area and become dominant by replacing floating plants. Floating plants are replaced by these new plants in this reed swarm stage. After their uh, replacement, these plants will grow and they will form a community. These plants have well-developed rhizomes and form a dense vegetation. After this, their stabilization, this vegetation makes the area stay shallower due to transpiration, evaporation, sedimentation, and deposition of the organic matter. Again, this area becomes shallow, and again it will be suitable for another plants. The habitat is more suitable for marshy plants. So in next stage, after this reed swarm stage, new plants will grow. There is the new plants that is called marshy plants in fifth stage. त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Marshy plants, sage meadow stage or marsh meadow stage. In this, new communities form due to the action of reed swarm plants, deposition of the organic matter and sedimentation of the soil, the bottom of the pond, that will lead to the formation of the new plants. There will be the loss of this reed swarm plants that will be replaced by this marshy plants. या स्टेज मध्ये नवीन प्लांट्स ची काय होते निर्मिती होते. These new plants will grow in this marsh meadow stage. New plants will grow that will include Cenchus, Carex, Polygonum, Cypress, and grasses will grow. They will get accumulate, they will get aggregated and established. This is fifth stage. Again, these plants will get stabilized for a certain period. After their growth, again these plants will be replaced by new plants. Gradually, these plants will be replaced by shrubs and by trees. ते दाखवलं पाहिजे डायग्राम मध्ये फर्स्ट स्टेज. First stage is shown, phytoplankton stage. Second stage is the phytoplankton stage. Second one काय यात आपण पाहिलंय submerged stage. नंतर काय floating stage, reed swarm stage. Okay, the first stage, then the submerged stage, floating stage, okay? Then the reed swarm stage, marsh meadow stage. Okay, these are the various stages. त्यानंतर next stage काय reed swarm stage, नंतर woodland stage, then forest stage. In woodland stage, what happens that the plants which is grown in the marsh meadow stage, that is replaced by shrubs, trees. The trees like cassia, poplars, terminalia. These are the different types of trees that will grow in the woodland stage. Again, forest stage, the different types of trees will grow, like the herbs and shrubs that will be replaced by these trees. These are the stages. This is woodland stage. See this woodland stage. Then forest stage. This is the last stage, forest stage. हे वेगवेगळे स्टेजेस आहेत. पहिल्यांदा फायटोप्लांक्टन स्टेज, फ्लोटिंग स्टेज, सबमर्ज स्टेज, फ्लोटिंग स्टेज, then reed swarm stage, marsh meadow stage, then woodland stage, forest stage. This is the various stages that are shown. This hydrosphere. These are the various stages shown in the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere में आपण पाण्यामध्ये. The succession begins in the water, in the ponds or lakes. So in this is process of succession. त्यामध्ये starting from nudation, then invasion, competition and coaction. इन्व्हिटेशन कुठे स्टार्ट झाले? स्टार्टिंग स्टेजला, फर्स्ट स्टेज. सेकंड स्टेज मध्ये इन्व्हेशन, थर्ड स्टेज मध्ये कॉम्पिटिशन कोएक्शन, इन फोर्थ फिफ्थ स्टेज मध्ये रिएक्शन, लास्ट स्टेज मध्ये स्टॅबिलायझेशन. दॅट इज क्लायमॅक्स कम्युनिटी. Stabilized communities form. Then again, after the replacement of this, after this climax stage, new community will form. Again, this succession which begins with the first stage, phytoplankton stage. In this way, this process will continue. This process will continue. So, यहाँ succession ला काय म्हणतात? Hydrosphere. Or it is called Hydrarch succession. This succession is known as Hydrarch succession. समजलं? Hydrarch succession. This is a in woodland stage. Different trees will grow. Mid-sized trees will grow like Cassia, Populus, Terminalia. And after the woodland stage, next stage is the forest stage. In this, stabilized communities form. In this stage, the stabilized communities form. In this, the plants that will old plants that will be replaced by new plants. In this stage, all types of plants are shown. In this area is completely covered by herbs, shrubs, trees, and climbers. So all types of plants that will that is will get established in this forest stage. So these are the 7 stages. याला काय म्हणायचं? Hydrosphere. The first image is the process of succession that is shown in the hydrosphere. The plants that will grow in the water. The plants कुठे वाढतात? पाण्यामध्ये. पाण्यामध्ये जे succession दाखवले त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Hydrosphere or Hydrarch succession. That is called Hydrarch succession. समजलं Hydrarch succession काही प्रॉब्लेम आहे का यामध्ये? समजलं नसेल तरी विचारा. समजलं का Hydrarch succession? कदम, मामुरे, टाकर, मुलाणी, बिराजदार, डोंगरे, नाईकनवरे.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
पाटील. माळी, रोंगे, नाटिकार, तिटे. समजलं का? देशमुख, जाधव,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
शिंदे, काटकर,
सर
बनसोडे.
शॉर्ट मध्ये मराठीत सांगा.
हा?
सर शॉर्ट मध्ये मराठीत
काय म्हणतोय?
मराठीत शॉर्ट सर एकदा.
हा. हे हायड्रा सक्सेशन, फर्स्ट स्टेज सक्सेशन, इकोलॉजिकल सक्सेशन. त्यामध्ये आपण काय पाहतो? हायड्रा सक्सेशन आणि जेरार सक्सेशन. हायड्रा सक्सेशन मध्ये
सर एकदा.
स्टेजेस दाखवले आहेत त्याला काय म्हणायचं? हायड्रोसीर. आणि जे जेरार सक्सेशन म्हणजे ड्राय कंडिशन म्हणजे सक्सेशन दाखवलंय, जे सक्सेशन होत आहे त्याला काय म्हणायचं? जेरार सक्सेशन. जेरार सक्सेशन मध्ये जे स्टेजेस दाखवले त्याला काय म्हणतात? जेरोसीर्स. आणि हायड्रोसीर कशामध्ये येते? हायड्रा सक्सेशन. हायड्रा सक्सेशन मध्ये हे वेगवेगळे स्टेजेस दाखवले. हायड्रोसीर त्यामध्ये फायटोप्लॅन्क्टन स्टेज आहे, सबमर्ज स्टेज आहे, फ्लोटिंग स्टेज, रीड स्पॅम स्टेज, सेज मिडो स्टेज और मार्श मिडो स्टेज, त्यानंतर वुडलँड स्टेज, फॉरेस्ट स्टेज. ते स्टेजेस या इमेज मध्ये दाखवले. फायटोप्लॅन्क्टनच्या मध्ये जे प्लांट्स वाढतात फर्स्ट स्टेज मध्ये, झाडाची जी मुळ आहेत किंवा प्लांटची जी मुळ आहेत जे दॅट विल गो इन द वॉटर, जे पाण्यामध्ये वाढतात ते इथे दाखवले. अल्जा, डायटॉम्स, बॅक्टेरिया, green alga. So that will grow in the water. That is shown in this first stage. Second stage मध्ये काही